Welcome to Switzerland, the heart of Europe and a traveler's dream. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through this stunning country, renowned for its breathtaking alpine landscapes, picturesque cities, and rich cultural heritage. From the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the serene beauty of Lake Geneva, Switzerland offers an adventure for everyone. Whether you're skiing in Zermatt, exploring the charming streets of Lucerne, or indulging in world-famous Swiss chocolate, there's something here to captivate every traveler. Join us as we uncover the natural wonders, vibrant cities, and hidden gems of Switzerland. Let's dive into the beauty and magic of this incredible country. Number 1. Lugano, Switzerland's Mediterranean gem. Lugano, located in the Italian-speaking region of Switzerland, is a vibrant city known for its Mediterranean flair and stunning natural beauty. Nestled on the shores of Lake Lugano and surrounded by mountains, this charming destination offers a perfect blend of Swiss precision and Italian zest. Stroll along the elegant lakeside promenade, explore the picturesque Parco Ciani, and visit the historic city centre with its cobblestone streets and lively piazzas. For breathtaking views, take a funicular ride up to Monte Bray or Monte San Salvatore. Lugano also boasts excellent shopping, gourmet dining, and cultural attractions like the Lac Lugano Arte Cultura. Whether relaxing by the lake or hiking in the mountains, Lugano promises a delightful experience for travelers. Number 2. St. Moritz, the ultimate alpine luxury destination. St. Moritz, nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, is a world-renowned luxury resort town celebrated for its glamorous atmosphere and breathtaking scenery. Famous for its upscale ski resorts, St. Moritz offers some of the best skiing and snowboarding in the world. In addition to winter sports, it boasts a wide range of summer activities, including hiking, mountain biking, and sailing on the pristine Lake St. Moritz. The town is also known for its high-end shopping, gourmet dining, and prestigious events like the annual Snow Polo World Cup and the St. Moritz Gourmet Festival. With its sunny climate, stunning landscapes, and elegant ambience, St. Moritz promises an unforgettable experience for discerning travelers seeking both adventure and sophistication. Number 3. Grindelwald, alpine adventure and serenity awaits. Grindelwald, a picturesque mountain village in the Bernese Oberland region of Switzerland, is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Nestled in the shadow of the dramatic Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau peaks, Grindelwald offers stunning alpine scenery and a wide array of activities year-round. In winter, it's a haven for skiing, snowboarding, and sledding. During the summer, visitors can enjoy hiking, mountain biking, and the thrilling First Cliff Walk. The charming village itself boasts traditional Swiss chalets, cozy cafes, and welcoming hospitality. Don't miss a ride on the Jungfrau Railway to the Jungfraujoch, with top of Europe, for unforgettable panoramic views. Grindelwald's blend of adventure and serene beauty makes it a must-visit destination. Number 4. Montreux, lakeside elegance and cultural delight. Montreux, nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva, is a charming Swiss town renowned for its stunning scenery, cultural vibrancy, and relaxed atmosphere. Famous for the Montreux Jazz Festival held every July, the town attracts music lovers from around the world. Stroll along the flower-lined lakeside promenade, explore the historic Château de Chillon, and take in the breathtaking views of the Alps and the lake. Montreux offers a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking in the nearby Roches de Nai and boating on Lake Geneva. With its elegant Belle Epoque architecture, delightful cafes, and vibrant cultural scene, Montreux provides a perfect blend of relaxation and entertainment for travelers seeking both beauty and culture. Number 5. Lausanne, a perfect blend of history, culture, and scenic beauty. Lausanne, set on the northern shore of Lake Geneva, is a vibrant city known for its rich history, cultural diversity, and stunning scenery. Home to the International Olympic Committee, Lausanne features the fascinating Olympic Museum. The city's charming old town boasts medieval architecture, including the magnificent Lausanne Cathedral. Wander through the picturesque streets, enjoy the lively cafes, and explore the numerous boutiques and galleries. The lakefront area, Alchi, offers beautiful promenades, parks, and opportunities for boating and swimming. Lausanne is also a hub for arts and education, hosting various festivals and events throughout the year. With its dynamic blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, Lausanne is a must-visit destination for any traveler. Number 6. Geneva, where international diplomacy meets timeless beauty. Geneva, nestled along the shores of Lake Geneva, is a cosmopolitan city renowned for its international diplomacy, cultural diversity, and stunning natural beauty. Home to numerous international organizations, including the United Nations and the Red Cross, Geneva exudes a global atmosphere. Explore the charming old town with its cobblestone streets and historic landmarks like St. Pierre Cathedral. Admire the iconic jet d'eau fountain and stroll along the beautiful lakefront promenade. Enjoy world-class shopping, gourmet dining, and vibrant nightlife in this dynamic city. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the Red Cross Museum or take a boat cruise on Lake Geneva for breathtaking views of the surrounding Alps. Geneva offers a perfect blend of culture, history, and scenic wonders for every traveler to enjoy. Number 7. Bern, where medieval charm meets Swiss sophistication. Bern, the charming capital of Switzerland, is a city where medieval history and modern life intertwine seamlessly. With its well-preserved old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Bern boasts winding cobblestone streets, sandstone buildings adorned with colorful flags, and iconic medieval towers. Marvel at the magnificent Zeitglob clock tower and explore the majestic Bern Cathedral with its stunning views of the city. Wander through the bustling markets, such as the historic Zabela Marit Onion Market or the vibrant Wochenmarkt. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the Bear Park and witness Bern's beloved mascots in their natural habitat. With its rich history, cultural treasures, and picturesque setting along the Aare River, Bern is a captivating destination for travelers seeking authentic Swiss charm. Number 8. Interlaken, where adventure meets alpine serenity. Interlaken, nestled between the azure waters of Lake Thun and Lake Breens, is a Swiss paradise renowned for its stunning scenery and outdoor adventures. Surrounded by the towering peaks of the Jungfrau region, Interlaken is a haven for adrenaline junkies and nature enthusiasts alike. Embark on thrilling activities such as paragliding, skydiving, or bungee jumping against the backdrop of snow-capped mountains. For a more relaxed experience, take a leisurely boat cruise on one of the lakes or explore the charming streets lined with traditional Swiss chalets and boutique shops. With its breathtaking landscapes and endless array of activities, Interlaken promises an unforgettable Swiss adventure for every traveler. Number 9. Lucerne, where history and nature converge in Swiss splendor. Lucerne, nestled on the shores of Lake Lucerne and surrounded by majestic mountains, is a picturesque Swiss city steeped in history and charm. Its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the iconic Chapel Bridge and Water Tower, transports visitors back in time. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the old town, lined with colorful buildings and adorned with vibrant flower boxes. Explore cultural treasures like the Lion Monument and the Swiss Museum of Transport. Take a leisurely boat cruise on the tranquil lake or ascend Mount Pilatus or Mount Rigi for breathtaking panoramic views. With its blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and idyllic setting, Lucerne captivates travelers seeking an authentic Swiss experience. Number 10. Zermatt, alpine majesty and adventure at the foot of the Matterhorn. Zermatt, nestled beneath the iconic Matterhorn peak, is a Swiss mountain resort town that epitomizes alpine beauty and adventure. Renowned for its world-class skiing and snowboarding, Zermatt offers pristine slopes and breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks. In the summer, it transforms into a hiker's paradise, with a network of trails winding through lush meadows and rugged terrain. Explore the charming car-free streets lined with traditional chalets, boutique shops, and gourmet restaurants. Don't miss the chance to ride the Gornergrat Railway for stunning vistas of the Matterhorn and surrounding glaciers. With its majestic scenery and outdoor pursuits, Zermatt beckons travelers seeking adrenaline-fueled thrills and serene mountain escapes alike. See you on another videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.